In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs and apply on Indeed. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Indeed.com. Once the website loads, you'll see a simple search page designed to help you find job opportunities quickly. Indeed is one of the most widely used job boards, so it's a great place to begin if you're looking for a new position, whether you want something full-time, part-time, remote, or local. At the top of the page, you'll find the search bars. In the first search bar, type the job title you're interested in. This could be a specific role, like customer service representative, graphic designer, warehouse associate, or anything else that matches the type of work you want. In the second search bar, enter your city or zip code so Indeed can show jobs in the area you want to work in. If you're open to commuting, you can use a nearby city or a broader location to expand your options. Once both fields are filled in, click the Find Jobs button to load the listings. You'll now see a list of available jobs that match your search. Take a moment to browse through the results and click on a job listing that looks interesting to you. When the job opens, review the details carefully. Pay close attention to the job requirements, responsibilities, schedule, pay information if it's listed, and any qualifications the employer is asking for. This step is important because it helps you decide whether the role is a good fit before you apply. Reading the full listing can also help you understand what the employer values, which is useful if you later need to tailor your resume